Okay, so we purchased the wiring harness, which is on the left here, and in doing some investigation, there is a connection for an electric PTO. Um, well, I just gave it away, but yeah, if so, let's click on this and let's take a look. This is suspiciously similar to the other connection on the wiring harness. And so if you take a look here, it's the same shape and it's a short throw. So it looks like that on the wiring harness. There's just a short length of wire. And so it should be, whatever that is, should be located very close, which on the mower itself is very close. And so I'm deducing that this is what that other wiring um, connector on the wiring harness goes to. And we don't have an electric clutch on the PTO on this mower, so it's not usable. So it may be that I just don't need that. Um, and it looked like it didn't work when I didn't jump everything on that connector. Um, I did not see another type of wiring harness. So, um, yeah, I did not see another type of wiring harness. One without the electric PTO connector. And here it is. So, uh, with PTO switch connector. I got to find the one without PTO switch connector. Anyway, so I just wanted to give you guys that update.